Hi, Giga here from Mk.1. A couple of days ago, we released a second tape recorder onto our platform, the wonderful Studer A812 Mk.1, and at least to my ears, it sounds absolutely fantastic. But because the levels around it are set just a little bit different than on the rest of the platform, we thought it a good idea to make a really short introductory video so you can make the most out of your session. So, basics first. The Studer is set to the tape speed of 15 IPS and is connected directly to a pair of its own DA and AD converters on the Burl mothership. Those are not calibrated to plus 18 dBu like the rest of the Mk.1 system, but to full-blown plus 24 dBu for 0 dBFS on the output meter. As calibrated right now, the Studer's reference level is set to plus 6 dBu for 0 VU, which means it's going to be fairly well behaved with short peaks up to around plus 18 dBu, but will start distorting if driven with a high RMS source with no output attenuation.
Traffic jam inside your head, you can't trust no one. Too late when the moment's gone. Can't go back and change your mind. Switch it off and press rewind.
This allows for a broad spectrum of different tones that you can get by simply adjusting the output volume, from clean and surprisingly transparent for a tape machine, all the way to obviously overdriven and distorted. So a good starting point for a fairly transparent master bus application would be output level somewhere between -6 and -9 dB, and input level at the same but positive value to achieve unity gain on bounds. My advice would be to first adjust the output level only, check the processed version against the raw file with the bypass knob for level of tape drive, and when happy, adjust the input level to match the original level of the track.
Your decision when you say you will, you won't. Half the time you do, you don't. Having a drink, it'll make you feel better. Everybody's falling apart. Everybody's falling apart. If it makes you feel better, we're back together.
At the moment, unfortunately, this is all the control that is available over the Studer tape machine on Mk.1. But we are already hard at work at bringing you a new, more involved interface that will let you change settings like tape speed, bias level, equalization, and record and reproduction levels. If you want to be the first to know when that happens, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, or join one of the users' communities on either Facebook or Discord. Until next time, have fun. Bye!